If you're having trouble with your ECM not communicating or truck not starting, this is the second part of the video. So what you want to check now is your communication wires. Your communication wires are going to be on the cab side of the ECM. So the ECM is going to look like this mounted on the truck. So it's going to be on this side on the bottom connector. So this is your OEM plug. And the pins you want to check are here. So it's C1 and C2. Those are the data link, positive and negative. This is a picture of your connector. So you're going to go to C1 and C2, and you want to check to make sure there's continuity from there to your cab connector so you can get communication. You also have to have your 12 volts and your ground on your diagnostic connector to get communication. If you have all that checked out and you also checked out what I showed you on video number 1, you should be able to communicate with your ECM, or the truck should tell you, why it's not starting, or you have bad ECM. If you guys want to learn more about ECMs, follow me for more.